What is up, YouTube? So I'm back with another Banshee video. I know I haven't shot a video of the Banshee in a minute, so I just wanted to get on here and post something. But yeah, I went ahead and fixed an exhaust leak that the Banshee was having. Let me fix the camera real quick. There we go. There you go. All right. So like I was saying, I went ahead and fixed the exhaust leak that the Banshee was having. And what I did was I ended up ordering some new clamps from this company called Force Parts Racing. I'm not sponsored by that company or anything like that. But yeah, I really recommend the product. It's worked so far. If I recommend something, it's because I've tried it and I bought it with my personal money. So this is a product that I bought with my personal money and that I really stand by. I also got a boost bottle from them, and I know a lot of people say that the boost bottles don't really make a difference. I'm not sure why. Maybe their bike is a little bit set up differently than mine. But as far as the modifications go on my bike, I got the torch eliminated. I have V-Force 3 reeds, and then I have, or V-Force 4 reeds. Either V-Force 3 or V-Force 4 reeds. I'm not sure. But you guys will probably see that in the video in the next clip once I show you guys the exhaust and all that other stuff. So yeah, I don't remember if they're V-Force 3s or V-Force 4s, but anyways, you guys are going to see that in a bit. And what else do we have? We also have some Gold Series FMF pipes. So far, the sound on the pipes are okay. I do want to switch over to Force Parts exhaust, which I'm going to be doing soon in the future once I have the money for it. But yeah, so far, all I've done to it really has been that. Just the Taurus Eliminator kit. I've rebuilt the carburetors. I've done V-Force reeds, and then the bike also has Gold Series FMF pipes, as I said. So that's all the modifications I've done to it. I know a lot of people say that the boost bottle doesn't really make a difference. For some reason, when I put the boost bottle on my Banshee, I really noticed a difference. It seemed to bog a lot less than it did before, and it's not due to the Taurus Eliminator kit that I installed, because I installed that boost bottle prior to eliminating the Taurus kit as well. So it did improve the performance of the Banshee. I'm over here thinking about my truck. It did improve the performance of the Banshee on the low end, so the throttle was a lot more responsive and it picked up a lot more on the top end, so it wasn't bogging as much. And then once I got the Taurus kit eliminated as well, that helped it a lot more too. So with the help of the Taurus being eliminated and the boost bottle combined together, and now with the exhaust leak that I have fixed with those new clamps, it really made a big difference. So I didn't really know that an exhaust leak would affect the bike as much as it did. And I wasn't expecting, honestly, for the bike to perform any better than it did prior to having an exhaust leak. But once I put those clamps on and the bike didn't have an exhaust leak no more, it really rips. Now the bike really picks up now, and you can actually feel more power on the bike. So yeah, if you guys are having an exhaust leak on a two-stroke, I really recommend that you guys fix that exhaust leak. You guys are not going to regret it, and the bike's going to respond and pretty much perform a lot better as well. But yeah, enough of me talking. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the parts that I installed on the Banshee, and then we're going to go ahead and cut right into the riding video. So during the riding video, I didn't really get on it a lot. I was shifting really early, and I kind of just wanted to take it out for a cruise and feel it out a little bit with those new clamps. But yeah, I can definitely say that it did perform a lot better with those clamps now that it's not having an exhaust leak. And yeah, I mean, so far I've been happy with the Banshee. I'm going to be getting some work done to it soon, just because I've noticed that the bike likes to kick to the right a little bit. So I'm not sure why that is. I did check the tire pressure. I was looking on the forums, and a lot of people said that the tire pressure might be the issue. I double checked the tire pressure. Tire pressure is even on all four corners, so I know that that's not the case anymore. So now I'm either thinking that it needs an alignment, or either it needs an alignment or something needs to be replaced on the Banshee, either a ball joint or what have you. I did notice one thing when I was riding the Banshee. The right side wheel on the front, it was wobbling a little bit. So that might be the reason why it's kicking to the right. Now, I don't know if it needs a part to be replaced, like I said, or it just needs an alignment. That's something that I'm gonna pay a shop to take care of. I'm gonna be going back to the guys over at AE Customs to work on the bike eventually. and I might get the exhaust before then. That way they can just take care of that issue as well as install the new exhaust system. So yeah, enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and cut right into the video. And if you guys like the video at any point in time, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stay tuned for all the videos I got coming for the channel, please be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be doing an exhaust clip on the truck as well soon, so I'll be showing you guys all the true dual exhaust that they did on it, and showing you guys, letting you guys hear how it sounds, and yeah, all that good stuff. Pretty much just doing a walk around and a video on the exhaust itself. So yeah, enough of me. Go ahead and get right into the video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, you guys, so I know you guys haven't seen her in a while. Here she is, looking all nice and pretty. Look at those eyes, she looks good. But yeah, so here are the clamps that I put. This is the part that I swapped out right here. Again, these are Force Parts Racing clamps, and I'm gonna go ahead and tag them in the description down below, so if you guys want to check them out, please feel free to do so. And there's their boost bottle, as you guys can see right there. I don't know if you guys can see that right here. I'm pointing at it. This is their boost bottle that I'm running as well. And yeah, it's worked so far, so I'm really happy with the way that the bike has been performing. And I'll be making more videos as time goes on, so yeah, if you guys want to stay tuned, please be sure to subscribe. And if at any point in time you guys enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Other than that, let's go ahead and get right into the riding video, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy.